Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. If you're not doing so already, please hit that subscribe button. We're en route to 1,000 subscribers, so let's make it happen. Today, we've got this 2009 Peugeot Partner van. It's only done 78,000 miles. We're going to do an introduction and then we'll come right back into it. Now this has come from the guy that delivers my cars for me. He got it off a lady who owned a farm. It was just parked up in a farm. It runs and drives. It's got MOT on it as well. Now, as you can see, it's got the roof rack. It's got the two pipe holders there. They will be coming off. I will be leaving this roof rack on though. Obviously, just want to give it a good clean up. So like I said, it's 2009, it's a Peugeot Partner, it's 78 on the clock. As you can see, it's an absolute state. Come around here, see the door handle as well. That there shuts, but doesn't go back in, so we need to look at that. Also, it's got a different trim on there, so we need to change that over as well. We need to order a new one of them. It's just an absolute state. So door lock, I've got that lock, but someone's obviously tried to get in the van, so I took that out. I'm going to put a new plate in there just to secure it and get it all wired back in. Just needs a very good clean. Just see there. We'll have a look inside. Just come around here. So you're under the bonnet in a sec. An absolute state in here, just hay everywhere. It smells as bad as it looks, believe me. So yeah, like I said, it's done 78 on the clock. We need to give it a good clean. Now, there is a little bit of damage on this van, so I'll come around and show you that. Where is it? So obviously got to sort that out. See a dent on there. We're going to try and pull that out. I'm not going to worry too much about it. Like I said, it's an old van, so it's a workhorse. There is also a dent there, see that? And a little dent there. Nothing too drastic. Quick look under the bonnet. See, that's just full of leaves. I've got the battery on charge at the moment because the battery is completely dead. I've plugged it in. It's come back with a few fault codes. Funny enough, it's coming back with the same fault code that had on it. Something to do with the EGR, so, but this one does start. So yeah. The plan today is we're going to take these off, remove them because going to keep the roof rack, but just tidy it up a little bit by taking these off, and if the new owner wants them, I'll chuck them in. But we need to tackle giving it a good clean, bring it out to its formal glory. It's only going to be a quick project, like I said. It doesn't need a great deal doing to it, so you know, I just sort of just got it because it was the right price, and you know, I can hopefully make a nice little profit on it. So I'm going to get myself set up. Take these off, then we're going to give it a wash and start cleaning the inside, but I'm going to give it a wash first before we start cleaning the inside. Right, so just giving it a quick clean, enough make a difference. Just have a quick walk around, taking them two pipe racks off as well. 10 times better that. Okay, so it's now 2 weeks later from that footage you've just seen there. So this lock, I made up this plate for it. But if you look at the back here, it's actually snapped off there, so a lock is no good for that door. So what I'm going to do is make up a blanking plate with that. I'm not going to get that done in today's video, but that's going to be the blanking plate. Obviously need to round all the edges off, sand it all back, primer it, and then paint it. Okay, so what I've got here is obviously I'm going to be using this lock. Well, it's probably going to be more secure than the lock that would have been on there already. So we've got a new lock there, brand new, under the keys there. So this will be going, shut that up. So that will go there. So that's a job to do. Now, like I said, it's been parked up for a couple of weeks. We've taken that door trim off. It was the wrong one. See how we get on. See how the old girl goes. Come on. Come on. Bastard. No. Right. So, battery needs charging again. It is obviously really pissing me off, that door. Oh, and another problem that we've since realised. That. Yep. It wouldn't be a Car Trader Diaries vehicle if it didn't have epoxy or a leak. So there's another thing that we need to see to. What I'm going to do now is start with probably the easiest job on the van. We're going to get this side strip on. Let's do that. Literally gone from one extreme to the other. The original one was too small and this one's too big. Great. It's one of them days. It's been one of them months, to be honest, but hey ho. So probably a lot of you wondering exactly what happened with the with BMW. Obviously it went back through to auction. There is a little story behind what happened with the BMW. I'm thinking of doing a video on it, just sort of explaining exactly what happened with the BMW when it went back to Copart. So if you're interested in seeing that, then drop me a comment down below. We're going to be back on the course soon. Nothing ever goes to plan, does it? It's always something. Yeah, it's one of those things. So obviously I'm going to need to order another door trim. That is annoying, but you know, not a lot I can do. Yeah. There's also, going back to the BMW, there is also a little story on that van there. A few of you asking what's happened with that. Again, I'll go into that when I do a video on the BMW. So again, let me know if you want to see that. Then I can get a video on both of them in sort of one hit. Yeah, it's not good news. So I'm going to wrap today's video up. Sorry to be on a bit of a downer, but you know, these things happen. You know, I'm only human, so you know, we'll start again. Tomorrow's the start of a new week, so you know. So yeah, if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe to the channel. Guys, I'll catch you very, very soon. Take it easy. Peace.